Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys, how can we on our apps notification in our Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to on your apps notification, this apps notification guys, so you can on in your Motorola phone. And guys, now let's see how to on app notification in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting, then guys click on your apps and notification. Guys click on notification, then guys click on this see all. So which app notification guys you want to on, guys you can on from here, like YouTube notification guys, Gboard, Google notification guys, Gmail notification, like Play Store. So you can on from here guys, which app guys you want notification, you can on from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on app notification in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.